Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I want to come to you guys with a very important listening update because, as you guys know, I am a big fan of this opportunity. I believe this opportunity can help every single marketer who's in network marketing, help them build the email list, which we all know is a very important asset to have as marketers. And this system can help you do just that and so much more. Okay. Now, before I get into the update, I want to show you guys that I am serious about this opportunity, right? I've done videos in the past and I've shown this to my audience, but I want to make sure you guys see it again. So I'm on the List Infinity website, right? We'll scroll down to the testimonials, right? So keep on going. This is one of the testimonials that I created for the owner, for Derek, a few months back, right? When I received my very first sale with the opportunity. So yes, you can see that's me right there, and I have the same image actually in my YouTube screen, my bio as well. So you can definitely tell that this is me, right? Another testimonial here that I did as well, right? So it's two testimonials. Going further down, I have one more on here. To make sure I find it for you guys really quick. And you see other people as well making money with the opportunity. Okay, so it's definitely not just about me. You have a bunch of other team members doing amazing things with this opportunity. All right, and shout out to the other team members as well. Okay, so I only have two of my testimonials. I actually sent in about 3 testimonials. I was gonna see if I had the other one there, but the two testimonials that I did should be more than enough proof that this opportunity works. As long as you're willing to put in the work and do the work yourself, right? You can have success with it. All right. So let me log into the back office really quick. I want you guys to understand something. All right. Now, as great as this opportunity is, you can't expect to have success with an opportunity like this, without putting in work. All right. You're going to build the email list with the opportunity, which, again, having an email list is essential for all marketers, no matter what, right? You're building a list and you're also able to earn commissions as well, and you also get access to training as well. But the update now that I'm going to talk to you about now, because I know a lot of people wanted to join List Infinity, but at the time the opportunity was $100, and in times like this, it's hard to get $100 to start a business. Totally relatable, totally understandable. So what the owner did, he created the option now where you can join List Infinity at the starter level for a low price of $10, guys. Right? You can come in to List Infinity, join, and get started for $10. Now you do have the option still to upgrade to Pro for $100 plus the admin fee. You can do that over time. That's an option now, right? But to get started with it, it's $10 one time. Now you won't get access to everything for the $10. And I'll break that down for you in a second. But think about it like this, guys. You can start an online business for the price of, lunch, basically, okay? Lunch and a drink, $10. You really can't go wrong with that. And I feel that in this day and age, having an extra income is essential because a lot of people don't have the money to, do the things that they wanted to do because they're working one job or 2 jobs, and sometimes that's not enough to help them get by. Having your own side hustle or side business, if you will, helps you to create your own income while you have your job, or if you want to take it further, you can work on it until you're able to replace your income, which makes sense. All right. Let me click on something here. So this is going to be the starter level here. I'm going to click on this really quick. I want to make sure I load this up in time because my computer is moving really slow these days. So I want to make sure I get this in for you guys as well, so you get a better understanding of what you're getting with the starter level. All right, so here, starter level. It's a one-time fee of $10. You can upgrade to the pro level at any time. So you're gonna earn $10 per lead, right? You're gonna get paid sent instantly to your PayPal or Stripe account. You're gonna build a massive email list. You get access to the 14 lead pages. You get a follow-up series, which is a done-for-you email series, 30 follow-up emails that you can import into your autoresponder with one click. You're gonna get instant access to the Facebook marketing system, solo ad secrets, and a solo ad Rolodex. And all you're going to do basically is you're going to promote your link. You're going to get instant access to the swipes, banners, cover photos, engagement posts, and lead generation posts. So you're getting access to a lot for $10. Okay. One thing though, you're going to have to pass up your leads as well. Okay. When you come in at that level, pro members don't have to worry about passing up leads. Starter level members will be passing up leads, but that's fine. Okay. Once you're able to upgrade to the pro level, that's something you can, not have to worry about. But for right now, when you join to get started, it's going to be $10. And still, you're going to earn $10 payments, which you can then build up to upgrade to the pro level. And I guarantee you this right now. You're going to want to upgrade to the pro level, plain and simple. Because you get more, you're going to be able to add additional income streams. You're going to get a free vacation. You get to keep all of your leads, of course, and you earn $100 per sale. Which, honestly, guys, I don't know about you, but having the ability to earn an extra $100 a day, it helps. In this economy, in this day and age, that helps. So with List Infinity, you have two options to get started with now. You have your starter level and you have your pro level, right? There's no reason why, as a marketer, you wouldn't want an opportunity like this that helps you build a valuable asset, which is your email list, right? In this day and age, you're going to also, of course, get more training on how to generate leads for your business with the Facebook training, okay? And that's really all I got for you guys at the end of the day. I just want to make sure that you guys take this opportunity very seriously, because this opportunity is the real deal. And this is something that I feel, again, people should take advantage of because of the value it provides, not just in the aspect of building your email list, but because of the trainings as well. Especially if you like to market on Facebook, the training is for you. All right. So before I do wrap this up, I'm going to show you the capture pages really quick. You get 14 different capture pages, all highly effective at helping you build your email list. Okay. So you have a huge selection of pages to choose from here, right? You see the solo ad secrets, solo ad Rolodex, and the Facebook marketing. Now these are the pro member videos. You won't get these at the $10 level, right? They're only for pro members. You can see your stats, you can see your referrals, and you can see the promotion tools as well, which I'll actually click on for you real quick. Like I said, you get banners, you get email swipes, you get cover photos, and you get the tools that you need to help you succeed with this opportunity. All you can get started with it for just $10, guys. All right. So everything you see here, and this is one I actually have in my Facebook profile. This first one right here. Bunch of banners, right? Facebook cover photos. You can use these in Facebook posts if you choose to, and they show you software covers as well, and they have the banner graphics. All right. So that's it for me, guys. I'm not gonna hold you up much longer with this video, but these, by the way, before I go, these are optional income streams at the pro level. So when you do join at the pro level, you're able to unlock, these particular income streams here and add your links to them. Okay. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions about List Infinity, reach out to me. I'll help you get started. There's actually one more thing I have to do as well before I wrap this up. The link is going to be in the description, so you can definitely check this out. Let me just see which page I'm going to use. This link here, make sure I copy this. This is the link I'm going to use. It's going to be in my description, okay? You can click on that link, check it out for yourself, opt in and see what List Infinity is all about, okay? But for now, guys, I really do hope you have a great day. I will see you on the next video. Take care, and until next time, be safe. All right, guys?